Invoke makes tracking devices for augmented reality. So we're actually building hardware for augmented reality applications where you attach the tracking device to an object that you want to interact with. So it's bringing physical objects into your virtual or augmented experience. This device is designed for augmented reality headsets, and those headsets have a whole bunch of sensors. Most of them are optical sensors facing outwards to the environment. So we track this device on the local coordinate system to the headset, and then that lets you interact with those objects as if they're actually part of your interface. In the instance for a guitar or a handheld musical instrument, you could attach the Invoke tracking device to the instrument, and because you're getting that orientation in real time, instead of looking at sheet music and having to interpret each of those notes, what do those notes mean in terms of music, where do you put your fingers to play those notes, you can just see that information where it's most relevant. So it's a really transferable skill and it's super intuitive. So for sports applications, for example, you could attach this to, say, a tennis racket or a golf club, and then track that in real time. So you don't need a full motion capture rig to get really in-depth performance metrics. And you could use that so you're getting real-time feedback on your swing, or even have a trajectory to follow. So we're still in prototype phase at the moment. This is probably our 4th or 5th iteration. This is going well. We're making pretty massive improvements, and we're looking at a few new technologies to improve that tracking even further.